Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, we will get started in a couple of minutes. Ayan, अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. छवि, नुपुर, आयान, विराट, अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए बेटा. We'll get started now. ठीक है, we will continue with the discussion on AP. Okay, the first and the last term of an AP of n terms is 1 and 31 respectively. The ratio of the 8th term and n minus second term is 5:9. The value of n is, okay, so the first term of this AP is 1. Okay, so A is equal to 1, we already know. We also know that the 30, the last term, what will be? A plus n minus 1d is equal to 1 plus n minus 1d is equal to 31. It implies n minus 1d is equal to 30. We also know this. Okay. Now the ratio of the 8th term. What is 8th term? 1 plus 7d by n minus 2 term. So what is n minus 2th term? N minus 3d. This is given to be 5/9. Okay, so we should just expand the 9 plus 63d is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 into n minus 3d. Okay, see, I know this, right? So I can do a small manipulation here just to keep life simple. N minus 1, I can write n minus 2 separately. This I can put as 30. So 35 minus 10d. Not 35, 155. Okay, 155. This is 30. This is 30. So 150 plus 5, 155 minus 10d, and this is equal to 9 plus 63d. So I can get that here. 733d is equal to 155 minus 146. So d is equal to 2. Okay, so we can go and put that there. So n minus 1 is equal to 15 and n is equal to 16. So C is the answer. Understood? Okay, let's do this. The sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. The smallest possible value of this sum is. ये थोड़ा अलग क्वेश्चन है, तो इसको किस तरह से अटेम्प्ट करेंगे? See, 18 consecutive natural numbers. So let the series be a plus 1, a plus 2, okay, till 18 terms. So what will be the sum? 18 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 17. D is 1, natural numbers mein, right? D is 1. So this is our, which is 9, 2a plus 17. Now what is it saying? It is saying that this thing is a perfect square. Now 9 is a perfect square already, right? So 2a plus 17 should be a perfect square now, right? So this should be perfect square. So perfect square, ab a is a natural number, right? So a cannot be negative because a is a natural number. Okay, it has to be 1 or above. So what value of a can make this thing a perfect square? Okay, 17 से बड़ा perfect square कौन सा होता है?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. कौन सा होता है 17 से बड़ा perfect square? सबसे पहला 25 होता है, और 25 बनाने के 25 बनाने के लिए a की क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए? करके देख लेते हैं. 2a plus 17 is equal to 25. This is only a trial. I am not still solving the question. Okay, this is a trial. So 2a plus 17 is equal to 25. So 2a is equal to 8 and a is equal to 4. 4 is a natural number. Okay, so since 4 is a natural number, a can take that value. Okay, if the question was more difficult, okay, it could have been that a could have come out to be a fractional value, and then we would have had to look for a next higher what? Perfect square.
Good afternoon, sir, and sir, sorry to disturb you.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Disha Singh. Disha, can you hear me? Okay, sir, I think she is not there.
Disha Singh.
Arshita, just
हाँ, अर्शिता गर्ग, आपका कैमरा
switch
ऑफ
on
है.
your camera. What do you want?
And Tinku, you are also not visible
हाँ.
in your camera.
Please, sir, आप continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन ऑब्वियसली इतना मुश्किल इन्होंने हमारे लिए नहीं किया, और हमें फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही, फर्स्ट ट्रायल में ही a is equal to 4 मिल गया है. So we can work with this as 25. So the number is 9 into 25 is equal to 225. हमसे नंबर पूछा, a की वैल्यू नहीं पूछी, right? The smallest possible value of this sum is, so 225. राइट? आपको याद क्या रखना है? आपको याद ये रखना है कि एक तो इस तरह से क्वेश्चन होगा, जब इस स्टेज पे आ गया तो ट्रायल एंड एरर शुरू हो जाएगा, ट्रायल एंड एरर. No formula gives us the answer then. Okay, we work with the first higher perfect square, see if a's value is a natural number. If it is not, we look at the next higher number and again see if a is a natural number or not. ठीक है? Okay, let's move on. If A1, A2, A3 till A98 is an arithmetic progression with common difference 1 and AI is the sum from 1 to 98 is 137, then find the value of A2. Okay, the question is slightly written wrong. Okay, alternate ones. Okay, A2, A4, A6 and so on till A98. हमें ये सम निकालना है, हमें ये वाला सम दिया गया है. How will we do this? देखिए ये सम जो है, ये सम लेट्स से 98 है. Okay, sum to 98 is equal to what? 98 by 2 inside the bracket. What will come inside the bracket? 2a plus 98 minus 1, which is 97. D is 1. So बस इतना है. Okay, let this sum be called x. इस सम को लिख के देखिए क्या बनता है. ये सम क्या बनेगा? इसमें कितने टर्म्स होंगे? आधे टर्म्स होंगे. 98 के आधे यानी 49 टर्म्स हैं. So 49 by 2. What is the first term of this A2? Plus 49 minus 1, which is 48. And what is the common difference of this AP? इस AP का कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या था? 1. तो इसका क्या होगा? ऑल्टरनेट लिया तो 2 हो जाएगा, राइट? सो 48 into 2. हमें ये निकालना है. अब A2 को हम A1 की टर्म्स में लिख सकते हैं. A1 है ये, सॉरी. ठीक है, तो A1 की टर्म्स में लिख सकते हैं. A2 क्या है? A1 plus 1. So we will get 49 by 2. Sorry, 2A2 होना चाहिए था. 2A1 plus 1 plus 96. Okay, this will become 49 by 2, 2A1 and 2 plus, so, and this is 98. Right? Understood till here? Now do you see how can we complete this? दिख रहा है आपको कैसे होगा? देखिए हमारे को ये चीज पता है, ये हमारे लिए 137 है, हमें पहले से पता है. तो इस फॉर्म में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं इसको. ये हो गया 49 by 2. ओके, ये हो गया 2A1 plus 97 plus 1. ओके, इसी को अब लिखिए 49 by 2, 2A1 plus 97 plus 49 by 2. Okay. So what is this now? Look at this. This is 98 by 2 into 2a1 plus 97 is equal to 137. Let's divide both sides by 2. We will get 137 by 2, which is this term. So we can write it as 137 by 2 plus 49 by 2, which is 8, and 1 by 2, which is equal to 94. Is that correct? So no, 186, 93. Okay, so we will get 93. C is the answer. Anybody who has doubt in this question? इसमें हमने थोड़ा सा मैनिपुलेशन यूज किया तो कैलकुलेशन कम हुई, राइट? वरना भी हम कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन ज्यादा होगा, हम यहां से a1 की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं, राइट? यहां से a1 की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं और उस पूरी वैल्यू को यहां पे डाल के भी कर सकते हैं। आंसर तभी भी आएगा, थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन ज्यादा होगी। अंडरस्टूड? A club consisting of members whose ages are in AP, the common difference being 3 months. If the youngest members of the club is just 7 years old, and the sum of the ages of all the members is 250, then the number of members in the club are. Okay, this is the standard type of question. There should be no difficulty in doing this. The only thing you should take care is that this should be written as 1/4 of a year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, it is the formula Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so let's put that. So 7 is
Sir, Sn is equal to n by 2.
n by 2 I left out. Sorry. Okay, n by 2. Okay, 14 plus n minus 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by d is 1 by 4. This should be equal to 250.
14 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 4.
This will become 56 plus n minus 1 to n by 4. Okay, so I will bring this up there, so this will become 2000. Okay, so this will be n square plus 56 n right, 55 n, sorry, 56 minus 2000 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to do the splitting of the terms. What will be the split? 80n minus 25n. Okay, so n की क्या values आ जाएंगी? Minus 80 and 25. But number of members cannot be negative. Okay, so the answer is 25 members. The total 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 are. Okay, this is a very standard question, board में बहुत आता है. Okay, how would we do let's do it mathematically. What is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 5?
So 10.
That is 10. Which is the biggest two-digit number that is divisible by 5? 95. Right? So now we need to find the common difference, right? L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into 5, which is D, and A is 10. Okay, so we get 95 is equal to 10 plus n minus 1, 5, right? We get 5n minus 1 is equal to 85, which is equal to 70. N is equal to 80. Okay. Sum of series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 all the way to 99. What will be this sum? How will we do this? First of all, is this an AP?
So जब हम 1 plus 2 को ऐड करेंगे और 3 plus 5 और 6 plus 7 तब AP में आएगा.
ओके, सो करके देखते हैं. 3 और ये 8 और ये 13. ओके, ये 5 and this is 19. This difference has become 6 now. This is 5 here. देखो, पहली बात ये ब्रैकेट्स कंफ्यूजन के लिए लगाए गए हैं. ओके, ताकि हम ऐसा सोचे, और पहली दो टर्म्स में 5 डिफरेंस आता है यहां से यहां तक, और हम ये गलती कर जाए केवल 2 बार चेक करके. इसीलिए उसने ये ब्रैकेट्स लगाए हैं धोखा देने के लिए. ओके, एक्चुअली पैटर्न क्या है? पहले पैटर्न देखिए. इज देयर अ पैटर्न? 1 2 3 5 4 is missing, 6 7 8 is missing, 9 10. Then they have not written, but it looks like what is missing is multiples of 4 are missing. Let's look towards the end. 95 96 is missing, 97 98 99. So we can say multiples of 4 are missing. ठीक है, तो ये क्या सम है? इस सम को हम ऐसे देख सकते हैं कि दिस इज अ सम फ्रॉम, ओके, ए, sorry, I can say n, where n goes from 1 to 99. ये पूरा सम माइनस sum of a series which is this 4 8 12 96. Isn't this the sum we are looking for? पहले पूरे नेचुरल नंबर्स को ऐड कर लें 99 तक, उसके बाद जो मिसिंग वाले हैं उनको उसमें से घटा दें. Now this is an AP, this also is an AP. Right? How many terms are there in this AP? 24 terms. Right? So what is this sum? This sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. And what is this sum? This is 24 by 2. The bracket 2 into 4, which is 8, plus n minus 1, which is 23 into 4. Okay, so this is 99 into 100 by 2 minus 24 into 25 into 4 by 2, right? Which is equal to half 9900 plus 2400. Sorry, my mistake. Minus, this was a minus. Okay. So sometimes we might need to manipulate our list to make APs. And they can be sum of APs, they could be difference of AP. That is the most likely thing. Okay, sum or differences of AP are the most likely thing in such a case. Okay. In an AP, the second and the fifth terms are respectively x minus y and x plus y. Then twice the first term is. Okay, so this is a standard question, right? So the second is a plus d. The second term is a plus d is x minus y. And the fifth term is a plus 4d is equal to x plus y, right? Now, what can we do? We can multiply, this is 1 and this is 2. So we can multiply this by 4, okay? So we will have 4a plus 4d is equal to 4x minus 4y. Okay, we can subtract the second from the third. We will have 3a is equal to 3x minus 5y. So which is thrice the first term. So the answer is this. 3x minus 5y. D is the answer. Okay, standard question. We have to find this. This is not an AP. We know it, right? But let's take 4 common. What will we get? 1 plus 8 plus 2 27 plus 8, right? What is this? This is 1 plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 10 cube, which is same as this. So it is 4 into 3025. One hundred. B is the answer. Okay. How would you do this? Shiv Garg, I am going to remove you.
सर
Every day
रिमूव
you
कर
do
दीजिए
the
ना
same
इसे,
thing.
ये तरह के बच्चों को सर रिमूव ही कर दीजिए. They are not maintaining the decorum of the class.
Yeah, he is doing that regularly. I am really surprised.
So next time you should not allow him in the class.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want, if they behave, then they should. It's good if they attend the class. But I don't know why he ends
We
up
are
doing this once in a while. This is really bad.
okay, please sir.
हाँ, बोलिए कैसे करेंगे? देखिए यहाँ पे ना कोई पैटर्न है ही नहीं. Although this question is being considered as an AP question, okay? We don't see any pattern here, right? So there is only a pattern in solving, although it looks like a series, there is no series here. Okay, all we can do is we can take 160 by 2 out. Okay, so then see what we get. We get 160 by 2 out, so 7 into 6 here. And 1 upon 6 into 17 plus 1 upon 17 into 11 plus 1 upon 11 into 27 plus 1 upon 16 into 27. Okay, so we will add them in pairs. Okay, we don't have a direct solution here. So when we add this up, what do we get? We get a 7 on top, right? And 7 into 6 niche. So we will get 1 by 6 here. And similarly, this and this added will become 17. So 17 will get cancelled out and we will be just left with 6 into 11. And here, similarly, this 27 will cancelled out and we will be left with 16 into 11. Okay. Now what? We can add these. We will get 12 by 6 into 11. What is that? So 6 into 11. So which will be 2 by 11 plus 1 by 16 into 11. And obviously we have 160 by 2 outside. Right? So how will we do? We will multiply 16 above and below what will we get? 160 by 2 into, what is the 33 by 16 into 11? So there is no concept of AP being used in this question. Okay, so sometimes the questions do look like a series questions, but they have to be solved because they have finite number of elements. It's just the order. If you try to solve it together, it would possibly take ages.
Sir, I just
Yeah.
want to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Disha, can you hear me?
Yes.
What you have to do today, the write-up you send me on 19th of December, na? You need to send that write-up to the school by 3 o'clock today. Because that write-up, we have to submit to the CBSE office. Otherwise, submit that in the school office.
Kritik.
Okay, you got
Yeah.
it. What I'm saying?
I couldn't get it. I will call you after the class.
Yes, it would be the better thing. Then you can call me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please.
So yeah, Disha, please call sir after the class, immediately after the class, because what he is saying is that there is a document to be sent by 3 o'clock today, right? So it's going to be pretty urgent. Call him immediately after the class. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this question, we are given that these three numbers are in AP. Then they are asking that which other things are in AP. Okay. So how will we do this question? Just think about it. There's somebody at the door. Give me 1 second. You just think about the question. Yeah, I am back. Did you get how to do this question? Can you tell me how to do this question? See, what we can do is that the difference of this minus this is going to be same as this minus this. Okay, we are coming to the end of the class. The class will get disconnected. Okay. But this is what you have to do. You subtract this from this and put it equal to this minus this. And
So
when
we
you
can also equate 2b equals to a plus c.
yes, you can do that also. Okay. You can do either way. It's you know, they are not dramatically different, whichever way you do it. Okay. Because whichever way you